Vanguard, an asset management firm, the second largest after Blackrock, is blocking its clients from buying Bitcoin ETFs on their platform. This, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the developing stories in the crypto space right now. Katia Wood weighed in on the situation.
Kathy, I want to ask you about one institution that still doesn't want anything to do with these products, and that's Vanguard, which told us in a statement that the spot Bitcoin ETF will not be available for purchase on the Vanguard platform. And we're talking about an institution with, what, $7 trillion under management. What do you make of that decision?
Well, consider the source, of course. I think it's a terrible decision. I think it's a strategic blunder. And what Vanguard is doing is basically saying, the world's not going to change. These new financial rails are not going to be successful. We're still going to have 7 middlemen between merchants and consumers, each one taking a toll. And we just don't think that's going to prove correct. Truth always wins out. Innovation solves problems. There's a lot of friction in the financial system. And we believe that Bitcoin, blockchain technology generally are going to take a lot of the friction out of the system. The other reason I think this is a terrible mistake is, they're going to deprive the investors who stay with them of really the first global, decentralized, private, no government oversight, rules-based, critical phrase there, monetary policy, monetary system in history. My mentor, Art Laffer, you may know him from the Laffer curve. He's also a monetary scholar. He said, "This is what I have been waiting for 50 years since they closed the gold window in 1971. He is so excited about this new asset class. And that is the other mistake I think that Vanguard is making. It's depriving its clients of access to a new asset class. And what do we know about new asset classes? Well, if it's truly non-correlated or exhibits very low correlation of returns to other assets, then what a diversification into this new asset class will enable is increased return per unit of risk. That I think that advisors have a fiduciary responsibility to look at this new asset class. And to the extent they're working with Vanguard, they will be prohibited. So again, I think it's a strategic blunder, but again, we're all about disruptive innovation. That's all we do. Right. This is the most profound disruptive innovation taking place in the world today.
But what I find interesting is that this same Vanguard is one of the top 10 owners of MicroStrategy. And if you don't know what MicroStrategy is, this is a company owned by Michael Saylor that invests heavily into cryptocurrencies. And talking about cryptocurrencies, the only crypto they invest in is Bitcoin. As you can see right here, their stake is 9% approximately, and they are banning people, their clients, from investing into ETFs. I don't understand this. Can somebody explain it to me? Bank of America is doing the same thing. Banned ETFs. Bitcoin is trading at $46,300 US. As at the time of filming this video, it had reached as high as $48,969 US. A lot of people actually expect Bitcoin to have breached 50 or even 60K. It's not going to happen as quickly as we all expect. Just make sure you're watching the DeFi space and don't fall prey to scammers. This is it for this video. Gonna keep you updated. This Briggs LB, Zain's your guy Ken, signing off for now.